In a quadrilateral, angles A, B, C, and D are in ratio 3:4:5:6. Find the measure of each angle of the quadrilateral ABCD. So we have to calculate the exact value of angles of ABCD. It has been given in the ratio. So solution will be, we have angle A, angle B, angle C, angle D in ratio 3:4:5:6, which has been given. So angle A will be 3x, angle B is 4x, angle C is 5x, and angle D is 6x. Now angle A plus angle B, angle C, and angle D will be equal to 360 degree. Now 3x, we will apply the value angle x, which is 3x, 4x, 5x plus 6x is equal to 360 degree. So we'll add up all these four, we get 18x, which is equal to 360 degree. Now x is equal to 360 degree over 18. So the value of x is 20 degree. Now we will calculate the value of these four angles. It is 3x, that means 3 into 20, which is 60 degree. Angle A is equal to 60 degree. Angle B will be 4x, that means 4 into 20, which is 80 degree. Angle C is 5x, 5 into 20 is 100 degree. And angle D will be equal to 6x, which is 6 into 20, which is equal to 120 degree. These are the answers.